In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a reminder in Slack. Canceling a reminder is a simple task but can sometimes be overlooked as Slack offers a multitude of features, and navigating them all can seem overwhelming at first. Whether you're using Slack for work, personal projects, or just staying organized, managing your reminders efficiently can enhance your productivity. Let's delve into the step-by-step process to ensure you're able to keep your digital workspace clutter-free and efficient. First, you'll want to open Slack. This is where all the magic happens, and it's your central hub for all communications and tasks. Once you have Slack open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface, especially if you're new to it. Notice the sidebar on the left. It's filled with channels, direct messages, and the home for our task today, reminders. Now, let's move on to the next step. You will need to click on Later. You'll find this option by looking towards the top of the left sidebar. This is where Slack keeps all scheduled reminders and messages archived for you to access at your convenience. Clicking on Later will reveal a list of all your pending reminders. Once you click on this area, you'll see a collection of your scheduled tasks, events, and reminders that are yet to be completed. Now let's proceed further into managing these reminders. Find the reminder you wish to delete. Sometimes they can get buried if you have multiple reminders pending, so take your time to scroll through if needed. Once you've located the reminder, you'll notice an icon or button that signifies more actions, usually represented as 3 dots. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots. This button is crucial as it expands a drop-down menu, giving you a variety of options regarding that specific reminder. Among the list of options is Delete Reminder. Click on Delete Reminder. This action is irreversible, so make sure that you truly want this reminder gone before confirming the deletion. This option is ideal for reminders that are no longer relevant or that have already been dealt with outside of your Slack workspace. Once you've clicked delete, the reminder will vanish from your list, gone for good. It's that simple. Keeping on top of your reminders means you've taken one more step towards a more organized Slack experience, allowing you to focus on tasks that truly matter. Keep in mind that regular housekeeping of your reminders and messages will serve you better in the long run, helping you to stay focused and efficient in whatever project or task you're working on. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has helped you to manage your Slack reminders with ease. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Slack tutorials. Until next time, happy Slacking.